My name is Sam. I'm in the Digital Marketing and Analytics program. I chose MTECH because it's an affordable option and offers hands-on training that really helps me feel prepared for my career in the future. Digital marketing is such a dynamic field, and I've always been drawn to how we can connect with different brands and different products. And I really like the creativity that you can bring with content creation and different ways we can just create things. My favorite part of the program has been the hands-on experience, and the structure of the program has been so much more engaging than a traditional classroom would be. The most valuable thing I've gained here at my time at MTECH is the amount of doors and opportunities that this school has opened for me in such a short amount of time. As of right now, I'm working as a marketing assistant intern. I'm just gaining real-world experience, and I get to apply my skills that I've learned in class and hopefully get to work there in the future. I would say just go for it. You never know what could happen. You never know the amount of opportunities that could be offered when you come to this school or when you just take that opportunity and just go for it.